Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're talking about something that honestly should be in every single first aid kit. It's simple, it's effective, and it's super important for making sure those little injuries don't turn into big problems. So let's just jump right in with a question for you.
So go ahead, take a second and picture it. You probably have some bandages, right? Maybe some painkillers. But do you have something you can count on to disinfect a wound right then and there? That's what this is all about. That one essential item you might be missing.
All right, first things first. Let's get to know the star of our show today. We're going to break down what Povi-Max actually is and, the science behind why it works so well.
So at its heart, Povi-Max is an antiseptic pad. That's it. Its whole job is to clean the skin and, this is the most important part, stop an infection before it even has a chance to start. Think of it like a little bodyguard for your cuts and scrapes, packed into a tiny sterile wrapper.
So what's the magic here? Well, the power really comes from one thing, 10% Povidone Iodine. Now that's what's known as a broad-spectrum antimicrobial, which is just a fancy way of saying it's really good at killing a whole bunch of different germs. We're talking bacteria, viruses, fungi, the whole shebang. And what's great is that it provides a sustained germ-killing action, which is why it's so incredibly reliable.
Okay, so we know what it is, but the big question is, when do you actually use it? Figuring out the right time to reach for one of these is really the key to getting all the benefits.
And this is what's so cool about it. It's incredibly versatile. I mean, on one side, you have medical professionals who trust this stuff to prep skin right before surgery. That says a lot about how effective it is. And on the other side, it's perfect for your kid at home, for handling those everyday minor cuts and scrapes quickly and easily.
And really, it all boils down to this one simple idea. The number one benefit, the entire reason Povi-Max is a thing, is prevention. It's all about creating a clean, sterile space around a wound so your body can heal up without any nasty complications.
Knowing when to use it is one thing, but knowing how to use it correctly, that's just as important. Doing it the right way is absolutely essential for it to be safe and effective, so let's walk through exactly how to do it. Using it safely is as easy as 1, 2, 3, seriously. First, you just apply the pad directly to the minor wound. Second, and this is super important, you throw the pad away after you use it once. They are not reusable. And third, to make sure the rest of your pads stay good, just keep them in a cool, dry place. Simple as that. And here we go. This is maybe the single most important safety rule. These pads are for external use only. That means on the outside of your skin. It's a really simple rule, but it is absolutely the most critical one to remember to use this product safely.
Okay, let's wrap this up. We've gone through what it is, when to use it, and how to use it. Now let's just boil it all down to the key takeaways you really need to remember.
All right, think of it like this, a quick checklist. What is it? A super effective antiseptic, all thanks to that 10% Povidone Iodine. Who's it for? Well, everyone, from surgeons in the operating room to you dealing with a scraped knee. How do you use it? Easy. Apply it, toss it, and store the rest properly. And the golden rule? Say it with me, for external use only. Perfect. And that really brings us to our final thought. Life's full of little bumps and scrapes. It just happens. Having the right tools on hand isn't just about being convenient. It's about being ready to take care of yourself and the people you love. So the question is your first aid kit truly prepared?